हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम एक इंटरेस्टिंग पजल लेकर आया हूं मैं आपके लिए। देयर इज अ 5 डिजिट नंबर ABCDE। उसको अगर 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वो 5 डिजिट नंबर रिवर्स हो जाता है, EDCBA हो जाता है। व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन? को इस क्वेश्चन को क्रैक करना है। व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ ABCD एंड E? तो देखो, यहाँ पर वी हैव 5 डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स। एक एक वेरिएबल को क्रैक करना पड़ेगा। So let us start with the solution. The first thing is A must be a even number. Why even? Because when we multiply any number by 4, it will give a even number only. It cannot give an odd number. So A has to be even. Number one. Number two, the value of A is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. It cannot be 0 because it will not start with 0. There is a 5 digit number, so it cannot be 0. So the value can be 2, 4, 6 or 8. Again, if we take the value of A as 4, it will be 4 for the 16. So we'll have a 6 digit number, but this is a 5 digit number. And therefore, A cannot be 4, 6 or 8, because in every case, it will give an extra digit, but we don't have that extra digit. And therefore, A cannot be 4, 6 or 8. A can only be 2. And we are getting 2 when we multiply 4 by either 8 or we multiply by 3. But the value of E has to be more than 4, because at least 4 ones are 4. So it has to be more than 4. So it cannot be 3. Definitely the value of E will be 8 only, because 4 8s are 32. We'll get the value of A as 2. This is the value of A is 2. Here also we'll have 2. And we are getting 2 when we multiply by 8 or 3. E cannot be 3. E has to be 8. So we have cracked the first code. E is 8 and A is 2. And we have replaced the digits by their values. E को हमने रिप्लेस कर दिया 8 से और A को रिप्लेस कर दिया 2 से। इसका लॉजिक मैंने क्या बताया? A एक इवन नंबर होना चाहिए. It cannot be odd, so it has to be 2, 4, 6 or 8. It cannot be 0 also, because the number will not start with 0. A is 2, 4, 6, 8. And if A is 4, it will give an extra digit. 4, 6 and 8 is not possible. Only possible value is 2. And we'll get 2 when we multiply by 3 or 8. But E cannot be 3, because at least we are getting 4 2s are 8. So the value of E has to be 8, minimum 8. So we have got the value of A and E, and we have written the values here. Next, अगला नंबर हम किसको लें? 4 2s are 8 आया है from this side. 4 2s are 8. So there is no carry here. Otherwise, this will be 9 or more. So this number has to be some number which do not generate any carry. Initially, I just forgot to tell you that all these digits A, B, C, D, and E has to be different. Alphabets A, B, C, D, and E have different values, and therefore B can be 1 or 2 or 0. But if B is 0, 4, 0, 0, and here we'll get 0, so it is not possible, and therefore the only possible case is 1. Value of B will be 1. Otherwise, we'll get a carry. The value of B comes out to be 1, and this is also 1. Both sides, the value of B has to be 1. 4 ones are 4, and B can be some carry over here. So the value of B is 1. Another value we have got, this is 1, this is 1. Now 4 8s are 32, and carry is 3. We have to take a number such that we get 1 when we multiply 4 by D plus 3. So 4 multiplied by D plus 3. 3 is carry. 4 8s are 32. 3 is carry. So 4 into D plus 3 has to be 1 or maybe 11 or maybe 21 or maybe with some carry 31 or maybe 41 or something. It cannot be 41 because in that case we have to 4 9s are 36 plus 3 9. It is not possible. So 41 is not possible. Let's see if 31 is possible. If we multiply 4 into 7, if we take 4 into d plus d is equals to 11, then 4d is equals to 8 and d is equals to 2, which we already have. The value of a is 2, so d cannot be 2. So if we take 21, 21 minus 3 is 18, and this will be our decimal value, not possible. And if we take 4d plus 3 is 31, we'll get 4d is 28 and d is equals to 7, which is possible. The value of d comes out to be 7. So this is also 7. And how we got this? 4 8s are 32, carry 3. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 is 31, carry is 3. So another digit we have got the value of d as 7. We have replaced that value. Now we have only one value left. And now it will be very simple to calculate. Why? Because 4 8s are 32, carries 3. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 is 11, carries 3. 4 1s are 4 and this is 7. So we need a 3 here. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7. So at least this value has to be at least 8. But we already have 8. We already have 7. So the only possible case is 9. At least 7. We need at least 7 because 4 7s are 28 plus 3 will get a carry of 3. So the value of C has to be 7, 8 or 9. But 7 and 8 we already used. So the only possible case is 9. 4 9s are 36 plus 3 is 9. Both the value 9 and 3 carry over. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. 4 2s are 8. The value of C has to be 9. So that's how we can crack the whole code. A, B, C, D, and E. And this will E, D, C, B, and E. E is 8, D is 7, C is 9, B is 1, and A is 2. Hope friends you like this video. Please like to the video as well as subscribe our channel to get other such interesting questions.